So this was also very amazing today. On the 8th of March 2023, and was it Karaportti?
Yeah, and Karaportti 6.
Yeah, Karaportti 6. Yeah, it's Karamalmi. It was supposed to Leppävaara, Aaltojen, Espoo, Espoo, region, modernized Finland. It's in the beginning of 1996. Kone inside his novel. December is age 68604 and turned 25 years old in 2021. It has these 8 purchase for 630 grams. Will be expected next year, 2024. And it did deserve 2 rides, of course. It's so fresh and so nostalgic.
Yeah.
I love this so much.
Is dit by kiva inspired maintained by Kone.
We are feeling Finland in the 90s. Yeah. Finland in the 90s. The Nokia campus itself is also very beautiful. It was also going to 1995, 96.
Yeah. Let's listen to the song.
Yeah, of course. And it's also rare because it has Kone Kalbat as an inside its novel.
Yeah.
And also this rare type of novel panel. We've seen it in Myyrmäki
Yeah.
from early 97. So, I haven't seen it anywhere else actually.
Yeah.
So it's very rare.
Yeah.
And I mean, this is really amazing to see. Like Finland in the 1990s, and it was an amazing time.
Yeah.
I think the hype was.
Yeah.
Too bad the light is a bit broken, but
Yeah.
that's it. Thank you very much for watching. And of course, you can also watch the elevators that we have built. Like the campus and Metropolia Upper, University of Applied Sciences.
That's
And they have an upper secondary.